Thank you. Parents and friends, students, faculty, trustees, President Oxtoby, I'm very honored to receive this degree from Pomona and would especially like to thank my Pomona professors, as well as those at Caltech and my high school teachers, for starting me on a career in both science and teaching. Being involved in the constant dialogue of science is a lot of fun. And today I want to briefly share with you what I think is the most critical lesson I've learned. It's an obvious one, the importance of communication, especially communication with people who have different ideas and different perspectives from my own. My lab group has made a number of important contributions over the past 50 years, but on reflection I've realized that our really good ideas, our novel experiments, our breakthroughs were truly not novel. Each came from putting together the knowledge of other people. As one example, I learned about the big, beautiful chromosomes of Drosophila from a friend of mine, Mary Lou Pardue, and I learned about the ability of antibodies to selectively tag proteins from Bill Dreyer, a faculty member at Caltech. Putting those ideas together allowed me and my students to develop a method to mark those proteins on the chromosomes to be able to discern their pattern. This has led us to a number of insights about how the DNA is packaged and how that helps control gene expression. This has been very useful in the burgeoning field now known as epigenetics. Today, of course, computer technology is making it easier than ever to share ideas, to collect and process data. So as you just heard, I've been able to expand a research class in genomics that I designed for my students at Washington University to include over 100 faculty and thousands of students. It's been great fun to bring this group together. The students are busy analyzing those fruit fly chromosomes, but now at the DNA sequence level. This type of collaboration and the discoveries that result would have been impossible a few years ago, but it can be done now. Problem is that that same technology has also made it easier for people to self-select the ideas to which they're exposed, to only learn about facts that are convenient for their worldview. So many of us in academia, and I suspect folks in general, are wondering, what can we do? How can experts best engage in public dialogue in an age of social media? How can we engage as teachers? The question may sound a bit arrogant, but I think it's important. Successful engagement will require humility because it will require dialogue. Whether you folks pursue a career formally in education or not, you are all going to be called upon to be teachers in mentoring a colleague, helping a friend, or coaching your child. I hope you approach these challenges by thinking about what is it that I want my student to know and be able to do, and how will I give her opportunities to engage with these new ideas, practice that skill, or exercise that knowledge. We all learn from active participation, and we all learn from dialogue. My goal for my students in genomics is that they learn to work from evidence, to look for and consider all of the evidence in building their models, in their case of fruit fly genes. The world is complex, and detailed scrutiny and analysis are needed to maintain a healthy planet. Using all of the data, real and not alternative facts, must be the focus. The knowledge that we can apply to our practical problems, be they global warming, keeping people healthy, maintaining a public education system, has never been greater. But the real gains, the breakthroughs, the creative solutions will come when you talk with different people to find those different kinds of knowledge which, when put together, give you the next step forward. So as someone who attended Pomona in the 60s, which I can vouch were also turbulent times, I can tell you that Margaret Mead was right. A group of thoughtful, committed citizens really can change the world. Really, it happens. It's happened before. It will happen again. I can also assure you that the struggle to make our world a better place has never finished. I know that each of you is an excellent student and can be an excellent teacher. Please keep learning and keep teaching. We need you all. To the class of 2017, congratulations.